I think we should do, Gina? Just what? What do you think we should do, honey?
Open presents. Open presents.
Okay, let's see what Jeannie got.
She doesn't know me to do it.
I know it'll be Gina, me, Jeff, Mike.
Gina has a book like this.
Open it and let's see what kind of book. What is that book about, do you think?
Like Hood.
Good, okay.
And he's like, kill the wolf. And now they're living happily ever after.
People's Court thing.
Mine.
Jeff?
Thanks, Santa. Thanks, Santa.
Oh! I got one and Jeff's got one now.
Oh,
Okay, go ahead.
I know what this is, I think. Yep, I was right. It's the Kibo game.
Thank you.
Then I must have some fire. Then I want to go all the time. Ready? Right laser tag. Thanks. It's now I got all kinds of guns. Oh, look at pedal ship. That big pedal.
Mike, what you want? Gina, you open one.
Show it today.
I got one gum, this and this. Scrap.
Well, then Jeffy must have one. Sure, what's that box over there?
Mike? No, this one's for Michael. This one's for Jeffy. This one's for Gina. Gina, open it.
Are you sure?
I want to see what component this is.
Hey, this one looks no.
Okay, Gina,
Wait
open
for
this.
laser tag. Come on, Gina, open. Why don't you open right there?
You already got laser tag. A receiver for my stereo.
Scott.
Thanks, Santa.
Thanks, Santa, for all my presents. Ready? Hey, Michael!
Yeah, you've already had 2 or 3. Jeff's had 1. That's okay. Doesn't matter. You're so
I'm
nice.
taking my time.
Okay. I had 2.
Skates. Thanks, Santa. Skates. A boulder. My tuna again.
Okay, the spirit.
I knew one of these presents was a boulder. I gotta see what this one is. Yeah, especially with my laser tag.
Stereo.
This is better than last Christmas to me, at least.
Really?
You really like that?
Gina, you open your biggest one. Open your biggest
Mike,
Right here's one.
Mike, could you get a bag over in the corner and pick up some of this paper so nothing gets lost that's
I got
important?
4 presents. Good, nice
Gina, you want to pick up some garbage with me?
Then nothing will get lost, okay?
Keep that.
We'll save this just in case something's wrong.
Boy, this is nice. I think this is nice to make it.
You do, oh good. This is the kind of stuff. Huh? Oh, Gina's other I want to see what's in the box.
Oh, did she open one yet? Gina got a dog.
Oh, he's so nice to you.
Oh, I wanted this real bad, Daddy.
Good.
I thought he was
Gina,
gonna
open
bring it.
this one. This one's for you.
Okay.
Right here.
I got some in my hand, Jeff. Could you help me?
Is it?
Daddy. I can't get this. I got it again.
Is that a little girl? A little girl and a little boy.
I
Take
got
your two babies and hold them up over there, and then Daddy can see them.
Mommy. Oh, there's one more for Gina. That
We'll wait a minute. Go over there, Gina, and then Mama can take
Gina,
pictures
there's
of you.
another one.
I
Take
got
your two babies, honey. Gina, take your two babies, and Mommy will take a picture of you and your babies. And hold them so Mama can see their faces here.
Gina, there's another one.
She's gonna sit down over there so Mama can see their faces on those babies. One of them is waving to me. Look at Mama, Gina.
Good, I got him right.
Look at Mama, Gina.
I think she got this one.
I don't know. Can you see Mama?
There's got to be more. It takes 4, I think. Because there's so much.
Cauliflower soup.
Doesn't work. It's because I didn't put in the battery somehow not. Put it in.
Mmm.
Like 6.
Did Daddy look at the pig when you opened it?
Mm-hmm. Thank you, Tommy.
Mm-hmm.
And Mommy, you both got it.
Who got
Oh,
trouble?
thank you.
This is from Mikey and Tommy.
Gina, you want to move
From the flower gallery.
Gina.
What may it be? Oh. Watch out, Gina. There. I know what it is. It's a brand spanking new sparkly butter dish.
Hold it up, Mom.
I will as soon as I get it out. Thank you. I needed that. Figure out how to get them out.
To Daddy and Mommy. Wow, look at all the wrapping paper, huh?
Look at that.
These are little boxes with baby animal crackers. And look, there's some little baby cookies. Some little baby cereal. And a cute little bowl for the babies to eat out of. This must be Kermit's dish. He can eat.
I must have hit the
It's
wrong.
okay,
Sorry.
honey.
No big deal.
It was filmed in the very beginning, bro.
Mmm.
Can you tell?
A suitcase for $103. Rang.
How did you know?
There's the tags on it.
Want to open up the other paper?
Not yet.
You're wrecking your stuff, Gina. It's breaking.
Lift here.
A lot of them want to do something else.
Here's a rattle for your baby. Take this in the dining room.
Boy, is this nice, huh? It's even got wheels. Jeez. Look at that. That's what that's for. You pull it. Mmm.
Nice box.
Can you show me the other plate?
I'll do it. Can you show me the other plate?
Oh, it's very pretty.
You like it?
Thank you very much, yeah.
Solid gold.
I know, everyone
100%.
goes to them.
I'll see it. What is it?
If you don't like it, you
I
return it.
do like it, Kurt, very much. Thank you.
What is it?
Beautiful.
This here?
It's a little cross on your made of all gold.
Real gold?
Mm-hmm. Thank you very much. Kurt. you.
Mm-hmm.
I sure need those. Should fit and everything, thank you.
Daddy, take these. You can have the numbers. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put them all over. I don't care where.
Which Lily's mom Lily's mom stepped inside the room and got strong. I'm going to be very busy
It's the
today.
day after Christmas, December 26, 1987.